Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Charlotte by Kittie on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is tuned to drop C, which is C G C F A D, from low to high. This tuning is crucial for achieving the song's signature heavy sound and low-end crunch. We will then break down the main riff, focusing on the power chords and palm muting techniques. Finally, we will cover the verse and chorus sections, ensuring you can play the entire song with confidence and precision. To begin, tune your guitar to drop C. This means your low E string drops 2 whole steps to C, a string to G, D string to C, G string to F, B string to A, and high E string to D. The main riff is built around power chords, primarily on the low C and G strings. Start with a power chord on the 3rd fret of the low C string, followed by open C. Remember to use heavy palm muting to get that distinct, chugging rhythm that defines the song's intensity. The verse section introduces a slightly different rhythmic pattern, often incorporating more open string chugs and a less constant palm mute. Focus on the timing and feel to maintain the song's driving energy. When you transition to the chorus, you will notice a shift to more open power chords, creating a broader, more expansive sound. Practice these transitions smoothly, ensuring there are no abrupt stops or hesitations. This will help you maintain the song's flow. The bridge section provides a dynamic contrast, often slowing down the tempo slightly and emphasizing heavier, sustained chords. This creates a powerful, almost atmospheric feel before returning to the main aggression. While the solo is relatively short, it is quite melodic, featuring expressive bends and vibrato. Focus on hitting those notes cleanly. Remember to practice regularly with a metronome to solidify your timing and ensure you can play Charlotte with precision and power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.